Morning guys, old fishing Bob here. Just got to say, what a glorious morning. Old Bob man, aka Fishing Bob, aka your mum's your dad, he's getting out the kayak. We off for a squid, baby. See your ass soon. Nice. Jesus Christ. Woo-hoo. That's us, baby. Let's fucking get it, man. Let's fucking get it. Morning, beautiful people. Fishing Bob here out on the yak. Baby, we're getting it done. Hell yeah. Let's get it, man. Shit. Woohoo! Fishing Bob coming in hot, baby. How's that for a squidling? Nice. Nice. We on, boys. We on, boys. Fucking one after another, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Sorry about the footies, man. Need that GoPro. You want to sponsor me, baby? Let's get it. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Shit. Shit. Here we go, man. We on. That's 3 squid, man. Oh, it's just by the fucking candle. It's just by the fucking candle. Shit. Woohoo! What's going on, guys? Fishing Bob here, just checking in. Bloody glorious morning out on the yak. Couple of squid wangs, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Let's get it, man. Shit. The old fucking Sienna 2000 and a half for the win. 15-pound braid, 10-pound leader with the old lemon special on it, baby. I'll give you the look. I'll give you the look. The old lemon special. How's these bloody crazy blokes? Bloody can't even see that guy, but that bloody helicopter parachute, boy. Look out. I lost count how many squid I've got. Pretty sure I've got 6 or 7. Been out here for 3 and a bit hours. Pretty successful mission, guys. I'll update you with a couple of pics and little videos when I get back to shore. Slowly drifting there. We're slowly drifting. Nice. We out here. Woo. What's going on, beautiful people? Fishing Bob here. Successful day out on the yak. We got 7 squid for the bag. Nice. Here's a little snappy shot. Hey, beautiful. The old Shimano Sienna doing the work. Can't even get that. The old Shimano Sienna doing the work. 2,500. 15-pound braid, 10-pound leader. Squid jigs this morning that done the job. This one's very thrashed. This was a RR red foil, Yamashita, I think. And then a couple more that were doing the work was the lemon special by Yamashita again. And then the old Faithful Black. Give you a hot tip. Ever having a hard time on the squid, check out the black one or the lemon special. Nice. Fishing Bob here, over and out. I'll check in when I do a little catch and cook for the kids. Hell yeah. Thanks for tuning in. That's a wrap, guys. Fishing Bob. Hell yeah. Like, follow, subscribe. Appreciate it all. Guess following and subscribing is the same thing. What a goose. Share to all your friends. Tell your mother. Tell your nan. Tell your auntie. Sister, brother, everyone. Get amongst it. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the support. Yeah, check in when I get home. What's going on, guys? Fishing Bob. Back home now. Kayaks all washed up. Rods and gears all washed up. You seen it here first, everyone. And we got the crabs. My brother boy Dan went out to Mandurah for a little scoop. He got the crabs. We got the fucking squid, baby. Let's get it, man. Shit. Hell yeah, Dan. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. What a seafood basket we got going on. Nice.
Just a show.
Definitely size. No poaching here. No illegal activities here. We don't condone in that kind of business. Got some nice squid wangs here. Try to get him up. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Afternoon, beautiful people. Fishing Bob here. These are the fruits of today's labour. Squid wangs in herb and garlic seasoning. We're doing a catch and cook. Let's get it, baby. Hell yeah. Bit of catch and cook squid. Be careful that it will pop and squirt, so you'll feel it the most with no t-shirt on.
Yeah.
I've been dealing with this for a little bit, bud. Trust me, it'll pop and it hurts.
Yeah, I just saw it. Oh my
Ooh, Jesus.
Mate, I'm trying to film. Do I have to wear a bodyguard or something?
Squid don't need much anyway.
I love squid.
Ah!
Oh.
Ah!
Oh!
That's why I'm doing it outside. Kelly, move. Oh, Kelly, move. Hell yeah.
Squid are crazy. That's really hitting the roof. You bug.
Oh.
Don't get me. Don't get me. I haven't done anything. I'm just gonna eat you.
They're going crazy. Is it like the juice?
Kelly, move.
Kelly, away please.
Don't want you to get hit.
They're here.
Oh, they smell so good.
Oh,
First
catch
little
and cook
batch.
squid.
Am I still gonna do it?
Yeah, they'll do it every time.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Fishing Bob here again. Now we're doing catch and cook crabs. Just waiting for the boiler pot of water to boil up. Heating up the oil. Got the garlic. By the way, this is homegrown garlic, grown by yours truly. Purple garlic, can't go wrong. Super fragrant, super nice, good for the immune system. So we're gonna fry up the onions, bloody garlic, sorry, not onions. Add some of this in, make like a marinara sauce. Once the crab wangs are bloody boiled up, it's just all nice and hot. Brown up the garlic. I would normally add chilli to this, but because we've got the kids here and they're frothing for some fresh caught crabs, we're not going to add the chilli this time. But you get the gist. Normally people would do like a chilli marinara. Not sponsored by Coles or anything. This is just the store-bought pasta sauce. Can't bloody wait. Let's get on it, guys. cooking outside like a true wog. We don't want to mess up that kitchen, you know. We don't want to mess up that kitchen, man. You don't want to burn the garlic. Just a little browning. That'll probably be good enough now. Take it off the heat. How's that, guys? If only you could give it a sniff. Jesus. Nice. So, heat's off. In the kitchen to boil up them crabs. Got me mate and his son over. He caught the crabs. How you going, Dan? Thrashing the automobiles. Nice. So we got the water on the boil. You want to boil them for like 4 to 6 minutes, depending, till they start floating and they're nice and red. Chuck these crabs on. So yeah, once the crabs start floating, that's a good indication that they're cooked. But generally about 4 to 6 minutes.
A bit longer for the big ones?
Yeah, a bit longer for the bigger crabs, but these are nothing massive. Definitely legal, as you've seen on my last video. These crabs are caught down in Mandurah, scooping. Plenty out there at the moment. Got to get amongst it, guys. So this water is already salted. Nice generous amount of salt in there. Not much left of all that squid we caught. What do you reckon? Beautiful. Oh, amazing. What do you reckon, Leighton? Have a look at these. Oh, are they cool? Outside with the cars, please, kids. Thanks. Outside with the cars, please. Thank you. I'll check back in once they're ready. So I'm back out on the frying pan, guys. Got the tomato and basil sauce going in, making a nice marinara. Going to simmer that down for a little bit while the crabs are boiling. Beautiful. Let's get it to a nice simmer. Heating up now. Oh, look at that. Get a close up of that, man. Getting a little simmerage happening. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Fish and bob, baby. Like, follow, subscribe, share. Tell your mum, tell your nan. Let's get it. What? The remote control car's inside. It's amazing. We're going viral, babe. Now she's simmering, guys. Turn down to low heat. There we go, guys. There's your crabs all cooked up. Generally, when you're chucking them in a marinara, you want to not cook them as long because obviously they'll be back on the heat. We'll chuck a few of these bad boys in there. Oh, nice.
You leave their legs on.
They're hot. Yeah, their legs are full of meat, bub.
You eaten crab before?
You're clearly not wog.
Clearly not Australian.
Oh, hell yeah, Dan.
I clearly haven't seen a YouTube video before that's
I got my
about it. So
Master Chef Dan apprentice on the sauce editing.
Yeah, anyway.
Hell yeah, TA. Let's get it, baby. Oh, guys. There's water just here, Dan.
Bye, family.
See you, babe. Love you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Oh,
Perfect.
I'll
Get
grab,
your tongs, mate.
I'll grab the lid. Keep an eye on it.
Leighton, are you gonna eat a crab? How are you, my brother?
Don't be mean to your bro.
So he hates
He'll be your
crabs.
best mate when you're older.
No, he said he hates crabs.
Yeah, well, every kid hates crabs when they're young.
This pot lid is definitely not the right size. Oh, guys,
Look at that.
get amongst it. Jesus Christ. If only you could smell the aromas.
I smell like
Oh, the
steak.
Ristos and the Papa Luigi. Is it Papa Luigi? Nice. That's, yeah, I'm sure that'll do something. Just got to piss with your dick you got you sometimes, eh? Yoo-hoo. Oh, how's that, guys? Catch and cook crab, catch and cook squid. You've seen it here first. Like, subscribe and share. I'm not gonna lie, the aromas coming off this is absolutely glorious.
Feed for a king or a queen. All the boys, all the girls.
Feed
your
for
mum.
everyone. Feed for your mum, feed for your nan, feed for your dad. Oh, I don't have any basil. Some fresh cut, fresh picked basil would have been great, but
Oh mate, stop.
$6 grand. If you're at the restaurant with that garnish there, would have cost you $6 grand. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Whoopah!